Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto.
In the video yesterday, I told you the resolution of Bitcoin coiling around 107K could play out between Sunday and Monday. And that is exactly what we are witnessing right now. The price first surged up to the dotted yellow horizontal line at 108.3K, but got rejected there. It pulled back to the blue horizontal at 107.6K, found support, and then launched again. This second push was stronger. Bitcoin broke above the yellow dotted resistance and is now holding steady around 108.5K. You know what this means. All my trades that were deep in the red just 8 days ago, when Bitcoin dropped to 98.2K, are now sitting in solid profit. But I'm not thinking about closing them yet. Now let's take a look at the 3-day liquidation heat map. It shows us that the most interesting pocket of short liquidation still hasn't been touched. That zone starts around 109K. In the past 24 hours, total liquidations across the market reached $200 million. From that, over 164 million came from short positions alone. The same picture appears on the 2-week liquidation heat map. There is a single glowing pocket, and Bitcoin is currently eating straight into it. It starts at 108.2K and stretches all the way to 109.7K. Above that, another pocket is forming around 111.2K. The more people get bearish and open shorts, the more fuel we give the bulls. And you know what happens in a bull year? Those shorts are going to get eaten. Looking at the bigger picture, Bitcoin is now approaching its highest monthly close ever. That alone signals strength and growing optimism. Could we see an 18% July? If momentum holds, that is entirely possible. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated.
And see you in the next one.